Two Indy cars collide violently at extreme speed on track, yet both drivers survive, protected by advanced racing safety systems. At full speed, the IndyCar delivers unmatched performance, where engineering precision and driver skill combine to create one of the fastest machines on Earth. But behind this incredible speed lies a detailed assembly process, where every component is carefully built, aligned, and integrated into a complete racing machine. Inside the assembly facility, the carbon fiber chassis stands ready, forming the backbone of a machine designed for extreme speed and performance. The monocoque chassis is crafted from carbon fiber, providing both strength and lightweight performance, essential for high-speed racing conditions. Suspension components are carefully prepared, ensuring they meet precise specifications required for handling intense forces during racing. Mechanics install front suspension systems with extreme accuracy, ensuring stability and control when the car reaches high speeds. Rear suspension is secured tightly, designed to handle extreme loads while maintaining balance and traction. Brake systems are installed carefully, ensuring reliable stopping power under high-speed racing conditions. Steering systems are integrated into the cockpit, allowing precise control and instant response to driver input. The cockpit is assembled with safety features, ensuring driver protection during high-speed racing environments. The engine is carefully lowered into the chassis, marking a critical stage where power meets structure. Engine mounting is secured tightly, ensuring stability under extreme vibration and racing stress. The gearbox is connected, allowing power to transfer efficiently from engine to wheels. Drive shaft installation ensures smooth transfer of rotational energy throughout the system. Fuel systems are installed to deliver precise fuel flow for optimal combustion and performance. Wiring systems connect all components, enabling monitoring and control of engine and vehicle performance. Cooling systems are installed to manage heat generated during high-performance operation. Body panels are attached carefully, shaping airflow to reduce drag and increase speed. Front wings are assembled to control airflow and improve handling at high speeds. Rear wings are installed to generate downforce, improving traction and stability. Completed cars undergo testing to evaluate performance under simulated racing conditions. Brake systems are rigorously tested under extreme stress conditions to ensure maximum reliability, safety, and consistent performance. Wind tunnel testing reveals detailed airflow behavior, optimizing car design for maximum aerodynamic efficiency, stability. Advanced structural tests ensure the racing car can withstand extreme conditions, high speeds, and intense competitive environments. Engineers perform detailed final checks, carefully confirming all systems meet strict performance, safety, and racing standards before approval. Final polishing enhances the car's appearance while improving aerodynamic smoothness, reducing drag, and maximizing overall performance efficiency. Critical components are securely packed and protected, ensuring safe transportation to racing venues without damage or performance risk. Equipment and racing components are carefully prepared, organized, and scheduled efficiently for smooth shipment and race readiness. Large storage facilities manage multiple race-ready vehicles and components, ensuring availability, organization, and quick deployment when needed. Specialized transport vehicles carry assembled racing machines carefully across long distances toward high-performance racing venues. Race cars arrive at the track environment, fully prepared for final setup, inspection, and competitive performance execution. Skilled mechanics fine-tune systems in the pit garage, optimizing performance, balance, and responsiveness before racing begins. The engine roars to life with power and precision, signaling readiness for high-speed performance and competitive action. The car enters the track aggressively, accelerating rapidly with precision, control, and unmatched performance capability. High-speed racing highlights the machine's raw power, precision engineering, and aerodynamic design under intense competitive track conditions. Multiple racing cars compete aggressively, pushing performance limits, precision control, and strategic driving under extreme pressure environments. Wheels spin at incredible speeds under extreme forces, generating intense heat, friction, and acceleration during high-performance racing moments. Pit stops showcase precise teamwork, rapid coordination, and technical expertise under extreme time pressure during intense race conditions. The car reaches peak speed, delivering ultimate performance, aerodynamic efficiency, and unmatched power on the professional racing track. At rest, The IndyCar symbolizes the perfect fusion of advanced engineering, speed, innovation, and human ambition in motorsports.